have a dilemma. I was supposed to go out and do some things. I just finished filming like maybe an hour ago. Then I relaxed for like half an hour. Then I was filming my outfit of the day for today because I'm trying to film outfit of the week's video every week. I overlined my lips a lot today. I'm sorry, it was for the video. But I just got accepted to a body design class today at 6 and I haven't worked out in a long time and this class was full. So I don't know if I want to go to the gym or not. I have to eat still and get some stuff done and the gym is like pretty far, but I feel like I should. I don't even know if I have gas. I don't even think I have gas. I mean, I know I should go to the gym, but I'm trying to find every excuse not to go to the gym. But I have to wash this makeup off because I can't show up to the gym with a full face of makeup because I will be judged. I'm always judged when I go to that gym. Probably because I'm the only girl in like a sports bra and leggings when I work out. Besides the instructor, this instructor also wears sports bras and leggings, but I get judged. I feel like the judgy eyes. Okay, so I'm cooking some chicken right now, so that's what you hear. But I got a PR package and I wanted to show you guys what I got. The most exciting thing I got is the Summer Fridays Jetlag mask. I've been wanting to try this for so long and they don't sell it in Canada yet. I only got it sent to her and then I was like, I tried it once. I absolutely loved it because I have dry skin. So this is amazing. You can use it as a mask, as an eye cream, as a primer. It is so good. I'm so jealous of you Americans. It should be coming to Canada soon or internationally soon. That's what Mariana said. So when I saw this in the PR package, I screamed. I cannot wait to slather this on my face tonight, edit, and then go to sleep. I'm so excited. I got a lot from Pharmacy, the brand. So let me show you guys that. Got the Skin Dew Hydrating Essence Mist and Setting Spray with, I can't even say that, Echen and Green Envy. I can't even say that. Packaging is super cool. And it has like about the brand, I guess, is a hydrating essence mist and setting spray, which is very good. You can never get enough of this. The only thing I have to say about this, it smells like a spa. It's very refreshing. The only thing, it smells like a spa. It smells so freaking good. The only thing I have to say about this is that the mister is not the best. It's not like a nice mist. It's kind of like a harsh spray. The next thing I got is the Invincible Root Cell Anti-Aging Serum. It all has the same packaging. I love their packaging. Oh, it's a cute bottle. Look at that. You're never too young to start with anti-aging. I use anti-aging products already. So I'm going to start using this. You can see the smoke coming up from my chicken. So I'm going to start using this and let you guys know how it works. If I see a difference, I'm going to start using all of this. Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm, which I needed a new one of these. It comes with a little spatula, which is really good. You're not digging your dirty little hands in there. Then there's the Honey Drop Lightweight Moisturizer with the same, it has honey in it, which we all know honey's amazing for your skin. Oh my god, no, look how cute this is. It has like a wood top and it has a magnetic thing that I love when companies are so smart. Stainless steel, I want to say thing, a wood top and a glass jar. I love when companies are smart. The littlest things make me happy. I got it on my lips. Yeah, it's very light, but I hope it's just not too light. I got this Skin Iceland Solutions for Stressed Skin makeup remover, which I was running out of all my like face stuff, so I'm really excited to try this stuff. And then I also got this Berry Lip Fix Balm, which I tried and smells amazing. I honestly thought I was going to turn my lips pink, but it didn't. I got the Caviar Anti-Aging Infinite Color Hold Shampoo and Conditioner. I've used the Caviar line before. It's really, really good. So I can't wait to use this because I've been using shampoo from the pharmacy and my hair feels so dry. I got an Artiste brush, which I'm so excited to use. Like beyond excited. It's the Oval 8 brush. Super soft. My sister said this is really good, so I can't wait to apply my foundation with this. I've been wanting to try Artiste brushes for the longest time now. Finally, I got the Nivea Micellar water and the Nivea 3-in-1 cleansing wipes, which is amazing because I needed more of these things. So I'm going to have to do a little clear out of my cabinet upstairs. And then I also got these Iceland Hydro Cool Firming Eye Gels, which is amazing because my eyes are always so dry. Like my whole face is drier than the Sahara Desert. So that's what I got in PR today. Let me know if you guys want to see what I get in PR more. I don't show you guys everything I get, but if you like these types of things, then let me know. Cooking some chicken up right now. It's probably ready. I had a smoothie already, so for dinner I had a smoothie and some chicken. Good morning, everyone. So you probably can't tell because I have black. Thank you. Thank you. That's enough. That's enough. I don't need any more kisses. Thank you. Okay. You probably can't tell because I have black smeared under this eye, but my face, I used the Summer Fridays mask last night and I woke up and my face feels so moisturized. My eyes look really tired because I have black smeared under, even though if I think I took it all off, I never do. I'm going to see it under my makeup today and see how that wears because she said you can wear it as a primer, but I don't know how that'll be. I'm going to go make a coffee and then get ready. I was thinking about filming a video all about how I do my setup from my last video because I know a lot of people don't or want to start YouTube channels or have smaller YouTube channels like I do, and they don't have these thousands of dollars of equipment, and it can get intimidating when you're filming and your quality just isn't right. I tested out a few things and I really have come up with the things I like, and I can recommend you the pieces that I think you should spend your money on and the things that you should wait. I'm at IKEA searching for a makeup desk and a clothing rack and some shelves for storage for TNS. I love this room in IKEA. They redid their rooms and it's like a whole new experience. I also really like countertops like this, which is just like, oh, fake food. This is such a pretty bathroom with the marble tiles. It's like my dream bathroom because it has a vanity and then you walk into your closet. I think I'm going to get these pillows because they're really, really pretty and they go with my room. So this is what I got, and 2 pillows. I'll show you guys better when I get home and put it all together. So it's all done. I'm very impressed with myself. All of the drawers work perfectly, and I installed a working door and the shelves, and I'm very impressed with myself. Walmart. In pharmacy. The Walmart here is so much nicer. It's crazy. A few of you guys suggested that I try out a lysine for my cold sores, so I'm gonna pick this up so I have it in case one decides to pop up. Body wash is the best. It smells exactly like the Brazilian Bum Bum cream. It smells so good. And it has Manuka honey in it, so that's good. This one smells really, really good too. So their Milani section's looking quite scarce, I want to say, and they don't have the powder that I wanted. I also picked up hard candy concealers, these ones. I also picked up these because I saw someone use them and they looked good. As you guys saw yesterday, I went to Walmart and picked up some new drugstore makeup, and I wanted to test it out today. I was going to film like tomorrow or the day after with like my new drugstore makeup. I don't know what it is. Something broke me out really, really bad. Like I had a reaction to it really, really badly. I broke out so bad, and I think it was a pharmacy balm to take your makeup off because I didn't use the Jetlag mask last night. That's really like the only thing that was different, and I woke up and my skin was worse, and then the only thing I really changed was that. So I'm not going to use that anymore, see if my skin gets better, but my skin was in a state today. I probably shouldn't have put makeup on, but I need to go do some things later in the day, so I like getting ready early. Little color pop haul, never hurt anyone. So I got 2 of the curvii lip liners because I love, anyways, I got light, medium, and deep. I think I got deep to contour. I forgot about that. I got deep to contour. It's the no filter concealer. So this is deep. Oh, the consistency is really nice. So that's gonna be a nice contour color. And then I got light to really brighten up under my eyes. The consistency seems really nice of this. Did that help? coming down with a cold, so that's light. And then I also got the shade medium because that's normally my concealer color. It's not that much lighter than medium. A really dark contour color, but ooh, I'm excited. I'm excited to have my curvy back. Oh my god, today has been the busiest day. I woke up, I had an appointment at my bank, and then I had an appointment with our sales agent, and then now I finally got home, just made a little bit of lunch. I'm making a bulletproof because I want that XCT oil. We're launching TNS tomorrow, and a lot of people are like, it's spring where I am. I'm like, it's still -9 where I am, so I still need my puffer jackets, and I'm obsessed with them because I love all the pieces. The quality of everything is beyond amazing. I'm not selling anything cheap. So I got a few requests to do a little bit of a life update. There's not much. I'm really working hard on CNC, and Signet and TNS is what's been taking up a lot of my time. I have so many fun videos I have planned to film for you guys, like my makeup collection and storage, how I film my videos, my backdrop, and all of that, like everything I mentioned. It's just about finding time. There's not enough hours in the day. Other than that, in my personal life, not much really, besides my boyfriend that I had and I broke up, but stuff happens and it's for the best. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. That's my motto. So it is Saturday. I'm losing track of my days, and I actually cut the sweater I'm wearing. Like, I had it for a long time and I didn't like the length of it. I thought it was too long, so I cut the length of it, and I've been loving it. That's what I seem to be doing. I take things that I don't wear and somehow find a way to make it work. Well, yesterday was the launch of TNS. It went super well. Everything is basically sold out except a few sizes in the power jacket, so I will let you guys know what is still available down below. I don't think I ever showed you guys what we're selling, so let me go ahead and show you guys now. So basically, you guys saw the power jackets. This is the power jacket in black, then we have it in beige, and then we have it in gray. These are all sold. I'm just put them on there waiting to be packaged. Please don't cry. And then these Crawford jackets, there's a few sizes left in these. They're the perfect spring coat because they look really cute and they keep you warm, but they don't make you too hot when it's like really warm out. And then these jean jackets are all sold out. We are trying to get them as fast as possible, restocked as fast as possible, but like I said, I'm not sure if I mentioned, when things go out of stock, they're not guaranteed to get back, so I'll let you guys know if we're planning on restocking these. And we did have a lot of those ones, so they all sold, so I'm really happy about that. You guys really liked what I chose. In the future, I'm going to tell you guys what we have coming. We have I shouldn't really tell you, but I'm really excited. I had my manufacturer, like I designed everything and I sent him the designs, and it is the perfect nude tracksuit. So good. I'm leaving to go to the mall. Look at all the Just Fab shoes I got that I'm waiting to do a video on. Ali left these sunglasses here and I've been really liking them, the style of sunglasses. What do you guys think? They remind me of the Dior ones. I don't know if they're like, it always makes me think my eyebrows are crooked. And I have my Invisalign in, of course. Oh, I don't wear jackets when I go to the mall because I find it very cumbersome, and these dogs think they're leaving with me, but they're not. I finally got the tires out of my car because those were like in there for months. These glasses put like a tan filter on the world. I feel like everything just looks like the Aiden filter on Instagram. You know how it's like tan? And I've come to the conclusion, guys, that I don't like the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Foundation. I know it works really well for Tati and I want to love it, but I don't like it at all. So I think during the sale, I'm going to pick up my Luminous Silk Foundation because I haven't had that in like a year. And then I also want to pick up the Hourglass Foundation. And then I also want the Soft Glam palette because it's just calling my name. Like, it's literally, if I were a palette, I would be the Soft Glam palette. That's like the definition. That's exactly how I would describe the makeup I do every day. It's like soft glam. I talked about this in my outfit of the week video, but Alex Garza recommended, she used to use this lip gloss, lip liner. I think it's Alex Garza. Anyways, my sister said Alex used this lip liner from Lancome in the color Ideal, and I used it today when I went to her house, and I fell in love. It's like the perfect color. I picked up a few things. This, which was completely unexpected, it's the Fenty Beauty Body Lava, and I bought this because it is the prettiest body glitter I've ever seen, like literally ever. And it was the last one, and it smelled so good. And it wasn't just a body glitter, but it made your skin feel extra soft. And look at it. And it smells so good, but I really just loved how soft it made your skin feel. Like, that's what really sold me, because I'm all about soft skin. And then I also bought the Aqua Luminous concealer because Allie said it was good. It smells so good. I just like how soft it makes your skin. Like, I'm not a huge like body shimmer person, but it makes your skin so incredibly soft. Love when things make your skin so soft and so like, not greasy feeling, but kind of greasy feeling. Like, a lot of people are like, I can't stand when my skin is greasy, and like, I love when my skin feels greasy. This is all the food Nolan made me buy. He actually made me buy these Aussie Bites. Well, he made me try them, and they're really good, and they have a bunch of good things in them. They're a little high in calories, but they taste so good. I got almond milk, coffee. From Walmart, I got kale. I only eat kale. I got 2 packs of false lashes because I want to get back into wearing them. I got hummus and turkey bacon. I got this, which I'm going to make right now. It's the green tea matcha latte. Normally I get the chai tea. I only saw green tea, but I love green tea lattes too. So I got that to mix with the almond milk. I got this chicken, which I thought looked so good. It's like shredded chicken, and it looks like real chicken, so that in salad or on sandwiches, it looks really good. I got these almonds to snack on, the Tamari almonds Nolan recommended. I got these Mary's crackers because they're so good, and I always eat them when I go to Nolan's house. I got this bread because Nolan said it was like the best bread ever, and I eat like a piece of toast with my breakfast every morning, so instead of like going to buy Ezekiel bread, which is like really expensive. And then Nolan got these are Nolan's, and he got raspberries. And then I also got, this is my favorite honey. I love creamed honey in my coffee in the morning, and with a little bit of actual like real stevia. This is my favorite honey, in case you're wondering. I also got a clothes steamer because I need to start steaming my clothes because I hate wrinkles, and steaming like my bed sheets and stuff.